Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you exactly how to apply for a Neo Financial credit card. Whether you want to earn better cash back on your daily purchases, or you need to build your credit score from scratch, Neo offers a straightforward solution. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to the official Neo Financial website. Once you are on the homepage, take a look at the available credit card options. You will typically choose between the standard Neo Mastercard and the secured Neo Mastercard. The standard card is excellent for maximizing everyday rewards. However, if your primary goal is to build or rebuild your credit history, the secured Mastercard is the way to go. When you know which card fits your financial needs, click the Apply Now button. You will be prompted to create a profile. Just fill in your email, create a secure password, and enter your personal details as requested by the on-screen prompts. A major advantage of the secured Neo Mastercard is that approval is guaranteed. There is absolutely no hard credit check required, which means applying will not impact your credit score. Once you complete the form and receive your approval, your virtual card is ready to use instantly. You can add it to your digital wallet and start earning cash back on your purchases right away, even before the physical card arrives in the mail. If this guide helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.